Hi everyone, today is my graduation. I've just achieved and accomplished a certificate at Derma Institute Level 7 Aesthetic Medicine. I must say the whole contents are quite comprehensive, at the same time very relevant.
The course has been really great. The trainers are friendly, and yeah, it's been a great ongoing journey.
The guy is really knowledgeable. You've got to do a lot of reading in preparation, but it's fantastic.
It's really good because you get to complete it in stages, just so I can fit it around my shifts and when I feel ready.
And the environment that they provide for the teaching and learning, all of the technique and different type of injection and filler is really amazing.
I really like how Derma Institute is doctor-led. I really trust them.
I managed to build the confidence and start practicing immediately when I finish with my courses.
The staff is very professional. They supported us. Everything will be okay with you.
It's been very useful, and I would highly recommend the course.
I really recommend it, and it will be very nice if you can come and see what you can get here. So you must opt for this institute because they are guiding each and every step in a very clear and a very good way. So it's highly recommended, and I will give 10 on 10 marks to them.
So yeah, come and join your journey with us.